Now it's time to start a discussion about dictionaries, and because of that I'm gonna delete this code because I don't need this code. Now, dictionaries are a structure in Python which can be used to store what is called key value pairs. So in a dictionary we define the key and the value corresponding to that key. And I'm gonna type here a variable called numbers, and to create a dictionary put equals, and we put curly braces. So we put curly braces, and inside the curly braces we define our key values pair. So first we need to put a key and then the actual value for that key. So I'm going to type here the text 1, and the key can be any type of data you want. So then I'm going to put colon, and to the key 1 is going to correspond the value 1. To the key 2 we're going to have the value 2, and so on. So I'm going to speed now this a little bit. And we need to put comma between them. So we put a comma here, a comma here. So now I'm going to speed now this a little bit. Alright, so now we have our key value pair. So we have the key, and actually I should not have spaces here. So I'm going to press Ctrl Alt L to format the code. Now the code is beautifully formatted. Now, what you can't do is that you cannot have two keys which have the same value. So if I put here also 1, get an underline, you have both underline, which says dictionary contains duplicate keys. So you cannot have duplicate keys in our dictionary. So I'm going to type here 2 again. Now, to access one of those elements, I'm going to type here print, and I'm going to type here numbers. And to get the keys, we use square brackets and the key of the value that we want to get. So if I type here 1, as you can see, while I'm typing, I have this suggestion. Do you mean this parameter key? Yes. I'm going to press enter. This parameter 1. So I'm going to press enter. Now if you run this, we'll get, because for the text 1, we have the value 1. We get 1 in the console, output it. And if I type here 7, it will be output 7 in the console. And there is another way to get elements. We can use the get function. So I can type here get. Also you type the key, let's say 1. And with get we can also put a default value. So if I type here, let's say 10, and I don't provide for the key 10, we don't have a value. So if I'm gonna type here invalid key. So now if you run this, we get invalid key because it tried to get the value of 10, but 10 is not defined in our key value pairs, and it used the default value, which is invalid key. So this is how we can use dictionaries, and see you in the next video.